Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, best of time na kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Dagang salamat, RJ! May buntag mga kapuso, welcome to Best Talk karong buntaga. Excited na kayo kung makauban ang Asia's multimedia star. Wala lain kundi si kapusong Alden Richards. May buntag, Alden, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV House, the Asia's multimedia star.
Okay naman, maayong buntag sa mga taga Davao at buong Mindanao. Gimingaw na ako ninyo at medyo hindi ako sanay na lumilipas yung 1 year na hindi ako nakakapunta ng Mindanao. Pero wala no choice. Parang na-miss ko yung Kadayawan this year. That's new. Pero magkakasama din tayo soon mga kapuso. Don't worry.
Don't worry, Mindanao misses you as well. But of course, we'd like to know, bago ka pa lang man nag-resume ng taping, Alden, what was your typical day like at home?
Well, ito, parang pagising, Zoom meetings, tapos since naman most of my commitments and endorsements are going to digital na, minsan nagsushoot ng mga materials for them, tapos gaming, and yung Eat Bulaga, nagbalik naman na kami ever since, but yung hindi na ganun ka-busy, mostly work from home.
Alden, you've mentioned kanina that you do gaming. You're a self-confessed gamer and in fact a Mobile Legends enthusiast. And namimigay ka pa ng mga paraffle ng mga prizes para sa mga viewers, and even gadgets para sa mga students. What do you enjoy most about sa iyong online gaming streaming?
What's up guys? Shoutout naman sa inyo dyan. Shoutout! Kamusta kayo? I hope you all are feeling good. So guys, ang giveaway natin ngayon ay ito. Ito guys, on hand.
I play less games but I focus on it, pero I don't let it get in the way of my priorities, kasi syempre pang distress ko lang naman yan. Since yun nga, nawala yung mga regional TV, nawala yung international shows, it's really a way of engaging to your supporters, kasi yun yung na-deprive from them eh. Syempre parang di ba ang kaligayahan ng mga sumusuporta sa'yo is to see you in person, mahawakan ka, makapagpa-picture sa'yo. But since this pandemic happened to us, parang na-limit yun. So in a way, parang yun din yung way ko para makaka-connect sa kanila even though magkakalayo kami. Parang I'm also doing this for them, and also the prizes. Especially now, I give out gadgets and cash prizes. Minsan, konting cash prizes. Kasi alam naman natin na medyo lumaki yung percentage ng mga kababayan nating nawalan ng trabaho. And of course, all of the schools are now going to online schooling. Siyempre, kailangan din nila yung mga ganong klaseng equipments.
Right. At may bago kang handog para sa amin because you're part of the I Can See You series, Love on the Balcony. What can we look forward to naman dito sa Love on the Balcony episode?
Well, this is a different story for me. Parang it's the first time that GMA is coming up with an anthology, a weekly teleserye. That's how I see it. And it's gonna be my first team up with Jasmine, although I've worked with Jasmine for a couple of projects before, but this time we're gonna be partners in the series. And parang maganda yung story niya. It's a story about a wedding videographer and a nurse. Moral of the story, in an uncertain world, in an uncertain time right now, meron pa bang time? Is there time for new love? Parang meron pa ba tayong panahon magmahal?
I think that is just what we need right now. Siyempre, Alden, imbitahan natin lahat ng ating mga kapuso all over Mindanao na of course, abangan ang Love on the Balcony episode ng I Can See You series.
And I'm inviting you to please watch I Can See You series po, at kami po yung first episode na Love on the Balcony. Siyempre sa GMA 7 lang po yan.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat, Alden. It's truly an honor na makasama ka namin dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Attorney. Salamat.
Mga kapuso, at ang iugma ang part 2 sa atong interview kauban ng Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. Muna chila mo mga kapuso, kay mabalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.